Looking at the bottom row of the Launchpad Pro Mark III, you now have 2 rows of buttons. You of course got your track selections right here, but you also got quick access functions like your volume changing, different pans, access your sends, and device control. And what's great about device control is you can actually jump between different devices here, and you're not just limited to 8 parameters. You can utilize these buttons here to jump through 8 parameters at a time, giving you access to almost everything that that device has to offer. And let's not forget, this is all utilizing Launchpad Pro's velocity sensitive faders, which move quickly or slowly depending on how hard you hit the pads.